Hello everyone, it's Mac here again in Conway, coming at you live from Hearing Healthcare. I'm over here in my corner of my office, thanks to my new setup. Thank you, Allison. We have another topic that we want to talk to you guys about today, and it's a question a lot of people might have been asking or might be wondering if they're going to be getting new hearing aids. And that question would be, what am I going to have to pay for once I get my hearing aids? Am I going to be paying for equipment or parts or repairs or service with you guys, tests, cleanings? And the easy way to answer that would be saying, no, you will not. With our company, Hearing Healthcare, when you buy a hearing aid from us, we include all of that into the price of your purchase, okay? So when you buy that new hearing aid, we're including the follow-up care into that cost, so you won't be paying for it down the line. Now, why do we do this? The reason is because we believe that the follow-up care is so important to the entire process of wearing your hearing aids. We want you to get used to wearing your hearing aids, and during that, especially during that first 30 days, it's important for you to come back and see us for all your follow-up appointments, make all your adjustments, and get you used to your hearing aids. Because if your hearing aids aren't fitting right, they're bothering you, they seem to be not working right, that's usually something we can fix quite easily here. And a lot of people choose to not come in because they don't think it's something we can take care of, but usually it really is not a big problem. So that's part of the reason why we believe it's very important to take your follow-up care seriously, and that's why we cover it as part of the cost of your hearing aid, okay? Past those 30 days of your getting used to your hearing aid, it's also important to come in every couple months just to get your hearing aids cleaned, checked, and have the maintenance done to make sure they're working the best they can, all right? So that's another thing that we do not charge for. If you need to come in for a cleaning of your hearing aids, you just give us a call and we'll set up that appointment for you and have you come right on in. Another important part of the process of getting used to hearing aids and wearing hearing aids is going to be keeping up on your hearing test. So we like to do an annual retest once a year of your hearing. We will schedule that appointment for you. You'll come in, get a quick hearing test to update your hearing, see if anything has changed, and then we'll make adjustments to your hearing aids if you need those done, okay? If you need random adjustments done in between those clean and checks or the tests, those are also covered. So we don't want people to stay home and think that they're bothering us, or that, oh, I shouldn't go in there, it's a waste of my time, because we think that's it. It's important to speak up if you have an issue, because we're very eager to help you fix that problem, okay? So that's one of the main reasons why we don't charge for those follow-up visits and appointments, is because we factor that into the cost of the hearing aid, because once again, we want people to have the best experience with their hearing aids possible, and we believe that follow-up care is essential to that, okay? There's many ways you can choose to pay for your hearing aids. One of the other ways that we offer is called our comprehensive treatment plan. For some patients, that works best for them. Just like I was talking about earlier, everything is covered under that plan. So the follow-up visits are covered, cleanings, adjustments, and annual retest is all covered while you're part of the comprehensive treatment plan. The difference is that you are paying on a monthly basis instead of upfront for your hearing aids, okay? So if you are interested in getting that comprehensive treatment plan or traditional purchase, you can ask your provider which one is going to work best for you, okay? And we're going to help you decide what's going to work best, all right? As for equipment and parts, that will all be covered as well. So that's covered with the price of your purchase. We'll be able to get the new domes for you, filters, any pieces your hearing aid might need are all covered under your warranty as well. So if you need to get your hearing aid fixed, we're going to send that out for no charge for you during your warranty period. All right. As usual, we offer our free hearing test here. During the evaluation, we're going to be, interviewing you to find out what is important to you and what your hearing history is. We're going to be getting a hearing test done. We're going to explain that test to you so you can understand your hearing, because that's part of the goal of our test, is we want you to understand what is wrong with your hearing if you have a hearing loss, okay? We want you to understand that, because some places will just tell you have a hearing loss. They won't really explain how that happened or what that means, but we like to do that for our patients. And along with that free hearing test comes the consultation to help you decide, is it right for me to get hearing aids, and what kind of hearing aids should I be getting? And that's actually the topic we're going to talk about next week. So we look forward to seeing you next week here as well. But that's all what's covered with the free evaluation. And just to go over once again, with the price of any hearing aid you buy from us, including, whatever custom hearing aids you might get from us, it's all included. So your follow-up visits are covered. You're not going to have to pay extra for that during your warranty period. We're taking care of you, okay? So that's going to be up to at least 3 years for most people. So please give us a call today to set up your evaluation. We're looking forward to seeing you here in Conway today. My name is Mac. I'm your local hearing specialist, and I'll see y'all next week. Thanks for coming in.